Good morning, class. Good day, even though it's raining heavily, and we're still in this new normal because of the pandemic. It just felt worse because of this typhoons, heavy rains. But we rest our faith, our future, our condition to God, and we continue on with our another purpose, which is to continue our education. And I pray that you are in good condition, safe, and with your families. And I pray that uh, these challenges will pass, and let us all rejoice when the time is that this pandemic, this rains, typhoons will be over. Okay, so as I have mentioned, we continue with our education. With this video lecture, we are going to discuss in series, in different series, community health development, um, community organizing, and also COPAR, which you will be uh, learning deeply later on. And I believe this was already discussed to you during your early exposure when you were in second year. So let's have an introduction of it. Let's start with the different approaches to community development. And I apologize also, and please bear with me. I'm in my bedroom, and so medyo may ano pa, konting ayusin siya dito kasi mas tahimik po. And so start. So God bless future nurses. Okay, so community healthcare development. Okay. To start, we have the different approaches, okay, to development. Okay, so these approaches are the ways, kumbaga, no, uh, to deal, okay, with developing communities, starting with families. These are different approaches. They have different ways on how to give or to provide or to start development on families, on communities. It depends on the situation. Um, One may be thought to be better than the other. Okay? It's situational and it's happening, okay? Especially these times of pandemic, especially on the uh, first part of this pandemic. Uh, and let's as I discuss this, think of the situations that these approaches were applied. And so first we have the welfare approach of community development. Okay, based on this approach, um, the cause, no, the reason why we need development, because we want people to get out of poverty. Okay, just to go back in my introduction. Okay, and one approach is welfare approach. This approach believes that poverty is God given. Okay, so it's already bestowed. It's already the life that is being given to you by the Lord, based from this approach. Okay, and that poverty is a destiny. Okay, so meaning in Tagalog, in our terms, yan ay kapalaran mo. No? Yan ay nakasulat sa palad mo, sabi nga, na ikaw ay magiging mahirap. No? Ikaw ay no? Destined na maging poor in your life. Okay? And it believes that poverty is caused by bad luck. Okay? Malas ka kasi. No? Kaya po, ikaw daw ay mahirap. At yun nga, nasa kapalaran mo na, you are destined to be poor. Okay? So, it depends on your belief. And but I'm talking about in the context of welfare approach. And second, and modernization approach. And yun nga pala, dito sa sorry, for the welfare approach, this is usually observed na it ameliorates, no? um, people, families, by giving free, something that is free, no? Walang kapalit, walang pagtatabuhan, no? um, binibigay, okay? Dole out, walang kapalit, libre, okay? Binibigay ng, let's say, bagay, let's say food, let's say money, yan, to develop them. Okay, so something that is passive. Okay, so sa titingin kung qualified ka, bibigyan ka na. Okay, walang kapalit. That's welfare approach. For modernization approach, from the word modern, yan, no, yan ang ating keyword. Okay, or yes. And so when the community began to accept or begins to accept and utilize technology and industrialization, that's modernization. Okay, and so they already accept that halimbawa at this time you need to use technologies, compared to the traditional practices that you do. Okay? Although meron siyang mga pros and cons. And tuloy ko muna ito. Assumes that development can be attained by abandoning the traditional methods or practices and adapt the technology of industrial countries. Right? So, iwan na yung traditional ways. Mas effective to. Mas efficient to. Dito tayo sa industrialized one. Dito tayo sa modernized one. Okay? Di ba example na lang, planting. Okay? Or sa atin nila, palay, mais. So, meron kayong nakikita ng mga ina-adapt na ng farmers, some maybe if not all, no? Na they go for modernized ones na like using of technologies. Yung iba naman gusto pa rin traditional. Okay? Again, it has the pros and cons. Maybe one pros is it's more efficient, less labor kasi gumagamit ka na ng machine. Okay? But the cons is, halimbawa, you need to cut out people, cut out laborers. So, mawawala ng trabaho. Okay? So, halimbawa yun. Okay? But it's still more efficient. So, depending on how you weigh things. And then third, poverty is due to lack of education, resources, and technology. Okay, so napaka-importante po dito sa approach nito ang technology, ang being modern, ang edukasyon. Okay, then third, we have transformatory or participatory approach. Okay, for two words, transform, participate. Okay, transform, participate. Focus on empowering the poor and oppressed sectors of society so that they can pursue a just and human society or even humane society. And poverty is not God given, rather, it is rooted in the historical past and is maintained by the oppressive structures in the society. Okay? So, um, kabaligtaran ng number one, poverty, okay, is not God given. Okay? It is because of oppressive institutions, oppressive structures, oppressive people in the society. Kaya daw merong mga mahirap dahil sa mga taong ito. Okay? Yung mga ng alila, ng alipin ng ibang tao. Okay? Imbes na, fair share, equity, equality, hindi. There's still, tawag nito, divide, no? Social divide, classification of status in the place, okay? In a community, in a country. So, for those who are in the low levels of the society, sabi dito, they need to be empowered. They need to be what's this? Transformed. Yan. Transform mo yung mindsetting nila, transform mo yung paniniwala nila, okay? So that they can and let them participate, no? Para sila ay maging developed community as a whole. Okay? So that those are the three approaches to development. One is welfare approach, the second one is modernization approach, and the third one is transformatory approach. Okay? In on the next video, we are going to discuss briefly health resource development program. Thank you.